we were getting numerous calls with growers that were essentially in distress saying, hey, I need to get my field planted. I can't because I plan on open burning and the state's not letting me do it. My brother and I kind of took it personally, being growers ourselves, saying, man, these guys have a problem. What can we do to help? And so we decided to take a leap and get an air current burner and try it in the vineyard side, and it's actually been pretty successful. Grinding, yeah, you might be able to grind a little bit faster, but you might have 3 or 4 weeks of prep time and that cost associated with removing all that stuff that you can't grind. The S330 FireBox is the largest model that Air Burners currently makes. We can burn 6 to 8 acres a day depending on how wet the material is. And we don't have to pull any wire out and we don't have to pull any stakes out. Everything can stay in the field. So there's not a lot of prep time for us to come in. We can come in once the inpost out, pile it up, and start burning. We do see the benefits for the environment using these boxes, by cutting emissions by 80 to 90% using a smaller motor, less equipment, and also by taking the waste down to 2 to 3%. The other thing that it helps out too is fuel consumption. The fuel consumption on the air current burner versus a 1,000 horsepower grinder is 100 gallons an hour on a grinder versus like 3 or 4 gallons an hour on an air current burner. So it's a lot less waste, a lot less fuel consumption. It's a win-win. Setting up the air current burner in the field to operate is relatively easy as long as you have an open field, which typically we do. So we bring it in on a siding axle and we can pull it off with an excavator or a loader. Typically an excavator, tracks are usually easier to pull off of. But overall, we stay close to roads, we stay close to our egress points, and it's generally easy to set up. So far our support's been great. Yeah, it's easy to buy a product, but if the support isn't there, is it really that good? So we've had great interactions with Air Burner and we love it. Would we recommend air burners to other companies? Absolutely. Obviously, we're all in business, and if this is the more viable option for growers across the state and even across the country, absolutely we would recommend it.